Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share this video with you guys because it is about my recent haircut and color at JCB Salon. I have mentioned all of the color details in the video and also in the description box. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Hey everyone, so I'm going to be getting my haircut and color done today. I have Sunil here, who's the style director at JCB in Bandra. He is going to be cutting and coloring my hair. So can we quickly just tell them
Hello everyone.
The haircut and
color?
So
for Shalini, we are going to do a haircut and a color makeover.
Yeah.
So basically for cut, I'm going to keep very organic because she has a lovely silhouette hair and natural hair color. So basically we're going to trim a bit. At the same time we add some layers only at the bottom. At the same time create a bit of volume here and especially framing her face so that it will accentuate her lips a lot. At the same time for color I'm going to use for her roots. Basically I'm going to play with Wella 671, which is a blend of brunette and ash because she likes more of cool tones.
Yeah.
Yeah. And at the same time for especially on the crown we are going to put some of the technique in which we're gonna keep some oils. At the same time we do a bit of balayage pieces so it will overall accentuate her whole look. At the same time toning with some really good cool tones just to get more of the coolness in the hair because right now it looks a bit brassy to me. Yeah, that's it.
So usually my audience, they ask me what is the name of your haircut? Do haircuts have names? Like if somebody wants to get the haircut I have that you're
I usually do bespoke haircuts.
Bespoke haircuts.
Yeah, usually depending on what clients want and then we create haircut.
So can I say that this is a bespoke haircut if they want to get it? They can
definitely.
Come to a JCB and say I want to.
I've been here from 13 years so definitely now I create haircuts.
Okay, so it's bespoke haircut in any of the JCB salons. So let's get started. So first off, he had to pre-lighten sections of hair where he would be adding the lighter color. For that, he has used the Wella Blonder with 20 volume and Olaplex number 1. So he mixed that really well, and the technique he used to color my hair was called Foilyage. It's basically like a balayage, but you're also adding foils on the top, which you will see in the video. Now, Olaplex is basically used to maintain the strength and integrity of the hair. I did not want to add too much light color and I also wanted to maintain the previous color that I had. So for my roots, he used the Wella Perfect Dark Blonde 6 with Brunette Ash 671. I sat for about 30 to 35 minutes and then I went to the backwash. So at the backwash, she removed the foils and also the global color. And then she toned it down with the Loreal Dia Light 7.12. And then she also added the Olaplex 2 and Blonder Seal and Care. Now this was just to maintain the condition and strength of my hair. This will also add that extra hydration that my hair will need after I have put the color. So for my haircut, I did not want very short layers because I'm always doing hairstyles and that would mean all of the layers would keep coming out from my braid. I also always maintain the volume of my hair, so I go in for something that is a little bit more structured, that gives me volume and doesn't take away the thickness and volume of my hair. The haircut we chose was pretty simple, I think. He did a really nice one length and then he also layered it really well from the front and connected that to the rest of my head. I really love the way he styled my hair actually. He used a medium-sized tong and he only added a curl right in the center and he kept the ends really straight. This way you get a really nice chic finish and you also have big open curls that do not look very tight but also look super stylish. Sunil also explained how I should style my hair with this haircut and color. It was also different. I haven't got something like this before and that is what I was aiming for. So I was super happy with the entire look. A massive thank you to Sunil and JCB Salons for collaborating with me on this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. All the color details, everything is going to be mentioned in the description box and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!